variable technique. And of course, what we are going to look at is the u dt. The u dt is equal to 2t plus 3 into u squared minus 4. So to solve this, we apply separation of variable, the u one side and the t one side, to give us an equivalence of du over u squared minus 4 is equal to 2t plus 3 bracket dt. This is the collection of variables. And in the collection of variables, we are going to make sure that the relationship here, the variables collected, are given as the u over u squared minus 4 is equal to this. So if that case has been resolved, the variables have been collected, what we do again is to integrate both sides. And the integration of both sides is equal to the variable collection, because the variables have been collected. So that this has to be broken down to give us a result of integral 1 over u minus 2 into u plus 2 differential u is equal to integral 2t plus 3 differential t. Then we continue the breakdown using partial fraction. 1 over u minus 2 into u plus 2 is going to give us partial relationship as a over u minus 2 plus b over u plus 2. And of course, in this breakdown, we'll be having a bracket u plus 2 into b, a into u plus 2 plus b into u minus 2 is equal to 1. If that has been resolved, what we go in for further is to say, let u equal to minus 2. Once u is equal to minus 2, we substitute back into that expression the expression of the partial relation, and that gives us a bracket minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 equal to 1. What does this imply? It simply implies that minus 4b is equal to 1. That is to say, minus 2 is minus 4, and therefore b is equal to minus 1 over 4. So therefore, if we relate consecutively with the value for a by virtue of substitution here, when u equal to 2, this becomes 0 and a is equal to 1 over 4. So that it gives us a is equal to 1 over 4. Because we have been able to substitute the reverse of u minus 2 as u equal to 2 in the second phase. When u is 2, put it here to be 0, here will be 4, 4a equal to 1. So therefore, a is equal to 1 over 4. Then, we resolve consistently again to give us integral of 1 over 4 divided by u minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 over 4. Of course, this minus 1 over 4 that is there can now reflect with this plus here to give us minus 1 over 4 divided by u plus 2 multiplied by differential u jointly as a joint derivative du to enable us to integrate it properly. So this will now be an integral reflection of 1 over 4 divided by u minus 2 minus 1 over 4 divided by u plus 2 du is equal to the integral of 2t plus 3t, which is at that side. An integral of 2t will give you 2t squared over 2 plus 3t plus arbitrary c. Now, by virtue of the design, this relationship will now culminate into 1 over 4 over u minus 2 by virtue of integration gives you 1 over 4 ln of u minus 2. Because if you differentiate the denominator, it gives you 1 with respect to u. Differentiate u 1, differentiate 2 0. So 1 is here, multiply 1 over 4 gives you 1 over 4. So it is 1 over 4 ln of u minus 2 minus 1 over 4. The same thing, if you differentiate u, you get 1. So it's assuming we have 1 here after the derivative, it still gives us same as 1 over 4. The minus sign is also there, and that gives you minus ln of u plus 2. And that will be equal to what you have here. And that will be equal to, by the time 2 divides here, it gives us what? It gives us, therefore, this relationship culminates into equivalence of t squared plus 3t plus c. So that at this juncture, the relationship will now be broken as it will culminate into a fundamental relationship as 1 over 4 as a factor ln of u minus 2 over u plus 2 is equal to t squared plus 3t plus c. Multiplying through by 4, that will now give us ln. Because if here multiplied by 4, 4 cancel 4 will be here. So it will now be ln divided by u minus 2 over u plus 2 is equal to 4 will multiply here to be 4t squared plus 4 multiply 3 to give you 12t. 4 multiply c to give you 4c. 4c can be called a in mathematics. So furthermore, in this relationship, we discover that this annotation can also now relate comfortably. Permit me to reverse the answer. We now exponent it because ln is log base e, and that gives us u minus 2 over u plus 2 is equal to exponential 4t squared plus 12t plus 4c plus 12t plus 4c, because we have to exponent it. The laws of logarithm clearly connote that ln of u is equal to log base e of u. So on this note, it was exponented to be this. It was exponented to be this. So take note of how this was resolved comfortably, and you could leave your answer in this form or resubstitute for 4c. You can also resubstitute for 4c. This culminates into this expression as a symbolic answer. Take notes.